Welcome to Wall Street Confidential, the show we give you the inside scoop as to what's really happening on Wall Street. I'm Greg Greenberg, here with Jim Cramer. Jim, previously we talked about the big beats on Wall Street,
right,
but there's been some big misses as well.
Yes.
Notably in women's apparel, you look at Liz Claiborne, really earnings down 65% over last year.
That's all execution. This is a very poorly executed company. They went in and did a JCPenney deal that then killed them with Macy's. They might have been killed with Macy's anyway because of the consolidation. They levered themselves to Dillard's, which is a terrible chain. This is a company that, frankly, is embarrassing. I think upper-level management is just totally out to chow. They should never have done that JCPenney deal if they didn't want to kill their Macy's business.
It seems like they're trying to get away from the old brands like Claiborne and moving towards the lucky, the juicy, moving towards the younger set. But that's a tough business because you got to get the fads right.
Right, and also, but I would emphasize that this is not an apparel problem because VF Corp blew the doors off the numbers. This is just a plain-out execution, not been able to move it, just like what you said, but they haven't been able to move as aggressively. And, you know, one of the things that Liz was supposed to do was make a lot of acquisitions. They haven't bought anybody, so it really looks like their just internal growth is just slowing dramatically.
You know what they can buy, maybe? They can buy Barney's, because it looks like Jones Apparel Group's got to do something. And one of those things is maybe sell Barney's.
Jones has been on the block for a long time. Another inferior, poor
50
execution.
cents versus 60-cent estimate. That's another big earnings miss.
These are companies that just don't have a handle on their destiny. And when I see these kinds of misses, it makes me wonder, why didn't they, one, lower expectations, and two, pre-announce? These are horrible quarters where they should have pre-announced. Now, they always like to blame the last 3 weeks of the quarter. I've heard that. That's what I heard from Capital One. That's nonsense. The trends were in place at the beginning of this quarter. They should never have guided where they did.
Jones is definitely having management troubles. Looks like, I think the CFO left, and then the CEO is probably not coming back.
These are going lower.
All right,
they're still going lower.
Jim Cramer, Greg Greenberg. We talk about women's apparel on Wall Street Confidential.